today, furthering your craft, updating your skills and your competencies, because expectations are at an all-time high.
We have to reinvent HR. I love the idea of reinvention, recreation, renovation, transformation, whatever word you want. Now is the time to do that.
We're going to do HR differently, which means we're going to create a new operating model for HR and a new set of processes that are more efficient and effective.
They know now that human capital matters. Let's make sure that HR professionals are the people they turn to when they have human capital questions and need human capital strategy.